Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add bilingual subtitles and captions to your videos on CapCut. So you can start by adding the video that you want to generate its caption. And in here, in CapCut, you can now easily spot the captions menu here at the bottom. And you can start generating the captions using this feature. Don't forget to choose the language and also the sound source. I'm going to use video, and to easily create a bilingual subtitles, you need to enable these bilingual captions. So here, click on the language, and here let's say I'm going to create an Indonesian language to afford the secondary subtitles, but you need to join the CapCut Pro first to be able to use this feature. So after you select the language, you can just click on generate and wait for the bilingual subtitles to finish generating. And here is the result. You can see there are two subtitles on my videos right here. If you want to change the style, you can just click on one of the captions between the first language or the second language and go to style, and here you can change the style as you like it. For example, I'm going to change the color of the secondary subtitles, and this is it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.